So right now, like what I'm doing is I'm finding the little pet shops, the thing that I wanted to buy these for, and they're basically little dollhouse pieces. And the attractive one in this bag was this big guy right here. This is a big part for a little pet shop right there with a little slide and everything.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video, and I'm here with Vinny, aka the Toy Master, the Disaster.
Disaster, yeah.
He's been doing thousands every single month over the last 5 years or so. I mean, some of his best months have been over 5,000 a month, and he sells toys on eBay. And we have a special treat today because sometimes it's tough to get Vinny right after a thrift store. He opens it all up, he lists it on eBay. But we have another unboxing video. We did one of these last year and you guys loved it. So share with everybody maybe how much you spent and kind of what this video is gonna be about.
So I spent 3, 6, 9, 11, 15. I went with my dad on 30% off senior day at Savers thrift store.
So you got senior discount.
Yeah. So
As a 33-year-old.
I got it for $10. I got everything for $10.
Nice. Cool, man. And your dad sells on eBay as well?
Yeah, he does. He does a little bit. He does. He's my competition.
He likes
sometimes.
to stay a little discreet, so hopefully he doesn't watch this video. But
so I just kind of want to explain why I bought these bags. I guess that would be the best.
Yeah, and talk about the toys and what they're going to sell for. And
so
yeah.
This bag, well, these 3 bags right here, I'll come a little closer just so you can kind of see the theme.
I'll give you a hand here.
These 3 bags right here are part of the same toy line. Bunch of little parts, and most of the stuff in these 3 bags are little pet shops, and they're from these. They still make little pet shops, but these are from 2003, 2006, in that area, and they're basically some furniture, some accessories that go along with these little toy animal dolls, so to say. And the reason I bought them is because they're 15 years old, and the time period they're from is a very popular collector time period. They like to buy them from this time period when they were first coming back to the market. So I saw different little pet shop items in each bag, so I wanted to get them all and see if I can make a nice big lot of them. So I guess we can just like
I say dive in and just talk to people about what you're seeing, what you like, what you don't like.
Okay, this is the first thing we got, and I don't think this is a little pet shop. Right now we're looking at a...
Let me see if we can zoom in for them.
2016 Jazzwares Wildworks. So this is something different that we're gonna have to put on the side. This is a loving family that was nothing. And then here we've got, oh, this is a VTech doll. Nice little treasure inside here. It's electronic, she talks, and she sits on a set. So this is probably 20 bucks by herself right there with all its accessories. Then we got, this is just another dollhouse item. And this is a little pet shop, I believe. Nope. This is a little doll stand here. And now we're getting to the little pet shop stuff. It's here. This is doll. And then basically, just
here, I'll come in. I'll be the cameraman during this video. Oh, here we go.
You can see that's a LOL thing. So you got a lot of random dollhouse items included in here, but there's a lot of little pet shop included. See, these are, this is. So basically a lot of dollhouse miniatures. I will go in and separate what I know are little pet shops, and I'll separate what aren't, and I'll put them in like a dollhouse lot. People do buy them. Just that bag alone will not be sold by itself, so I don't want to give a price. Then we've got more. This, obviously, same name, looks just like this, so that goes with that. Then we got a shopping cart here.
Oh, look at that.
And this is another little pet shop piece that goes with those. And this is an Animal Jams trolley with candy. And you can use it as a doll thing. Then here's a little pet shop. Animal Jams. And this is a cool little pet shop container. And it's got these little gems on it. I've never seen this, so this might be something great. I don't know how to open it. I don't want it to splash everywhere. Hey, look, you got a bunch of little pieces.
I know accessories make you more money.
Oh yeah, so this might be a $15 to $20 item right here. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it.
What was that little princess thing you used to find, and if you opened it up, you would find these little
Polly Pocket.
Those things were jackpots.
So these are little pet shops. This is another one. There's a little carriage. There's a little dog house. This is Shopkins, so that's another doll. Here's a body, and here's a little scooter.
So overall, what are you doing? You're organizing right now?
So semi-organizing for you guys just to see. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm finding the little pet shops, the thing that I wanted to buy these for, and they're basically little dollhouse pieces. And the attractive one in this bag was this big guy right here. This is a big part for a little pet shop right there with a little slide and everything. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a lot of the little pet shop stuff. I'm gonna part this one out, I'm gonna part this out, and I might, if these aren't anything, I might group these in with like a dollhouse lot. Look at this chair. It's a dollhouse chair. This might be a Barbie. Nope, it's a 1985 Jess toy.
Huh.
In vintage, could be something interesting. The stickers are messed up. And here's another little pet shop vehicle. So basically I spent $9 on everything. I'll make my money back with just this girl. This is probably gonna be 10 to 15 bucks. The little pet shop accessories are probably gonna be another 15 to 20 bucks. So right there off of that $9, we're looking at least 40.
Oh wow.
Probably for a profit. I'm just speculating because I didn't put them up yet. Then in here,
and there's more.
Here's another bag, $2.99, $1.99. This was a kind of a steal. And these little furry guys here are Disney Palace pets. That's a LOL, surprise dog. These are little Princess Palace pets here. Right here we got 1, 2, 3. Ooh, look at that cute one. I've never seen that mouse before. 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's another 15 to 20 bucks right there. I just broke the head on this LOL doll. And these are LOL surprise pets. And this would probably be another 10 bucks. So right now we're doing good with just the doll theme stuff. It's looking like 50 bucks just from what I can see here. Maybe more, maybe less. I do run a lot of auctions, so there could be something rare in here that somebody wants to pay more for, or an item that gets lost or something. So definitely interested about the charms, the little pet shops. But you can slowly see how some of these bags start adding up. Now this is just, the reason I bought this, because there's a lot of characters I recognize. There's a lot of Disney figures. There's a lot of popular TV show figures in here. And I collect Disney at the moment. So now we're gonna make a little Disney lot, kind of. So we got, ooh, look at this Woody. It's a talking Woody. That's nice. If he works and talks.
Right. Sorry, guys. No, you can't go.
If his hat's in here, he's another 15, 20 bucks. This is from Moana.
I love how excited he gets.
This is a McDonald's toy. You can see how I just tossed those aside. We got another Disney, McDonald's Hungry Hippo. This is a PJ Masks character right here. So he's by himself. This looks like some sort of lightning theme. I might sell him just like that if he's worth at least 10 bucks. That's a troll. Some more Disney, McDonald's, some more Disney figures. There's his hat.
Wow. Show everyone the hat real quick. Can we put the hat on him?
All right, fine. We'll put the hat on him. All right, he's there. I mean, I've sold similar one. I don't know if I ever sold this one. I think this might be a Mattel. You mother. Hi, I'm Woody. Okay.
Operation Pull Toy.
Operation Pull Toy. So see, as you can see, guys, you can have fun with these things as well. And this is 2017 Mattel. So this is newer. This is from Toy Story 4, it would be. And the value of this probably is going to be around 15 now that I think about it, because it's not super vintage. It just came out. So still, for a $3 bag, it's still pretty good. I'm making a mess here. We got more Disney. So now we kind of got, look at that. I think that's Winnie the Pooh or something. We put the McDonald's toys aside. Look at this guy. I don't know if anybody knows what this is. I gotta look these things up individually. I've never picked this thing up before, but this is Grinch, the Grinch, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. This is his little dog. This is a figure from that. The Grinch toys go very well, so if you see Grinch stuff, pick them up, especially around the holidays. That'd be the best time to sell them. This guy might be 10 to 15 bucks just by himself.
Really?
Yes, I've seen similar things like that. Here we got another Maui Moana. Got another Moana. So, and then we got some other Disney. So it's a Disney lot. So what you can do is, what I would do is I'd put all the Disney stuff together, sell them all in one big lot, and then the value of this bag is probably going to be around 30 to 40 bucks. So off of that 15 bucks, I expect to make at least 100, but the total price will probably be 100. I'll probably make about 50 bucks off of that.
That's really cool.
So yeah, that's kind of what I do. That's what I do. I go to the Savers, I look at the bags, see if it's valuable. Like this was only $2. That's definitely good value. All those accessories were $3 each. And then I come home, I break them up. I split them into what I know. I put the stuff aside I don't know. I look them up. I make sure they're worth reselling. If they're not, I'll put them in like a junk pile, so to say. If I find any more of those, then I'll put them up in lots. And this is kind of how I do it. Like this is how I've learned my entire time. This is how I've been able to do the guides and learn all the things that I've learned is by buying these bags, opening them up, and just going at it. And like today, I'll go and I get like about 10 listings out of this whole thing right here.
Do you want to share with people a little bit about the guides that you created and maybe who they're for, and a little bit about them?
Me and Steve we've got 4 guides out right now, and basically the guides are a compilation of all the toys that I've come across, resold for good profits, that are cheap to buy, are always there. And we kind of dive in deep to each toy. We show pictures of them. We kind of describe them if you can't get the concept, and we say what the estimated retail is and what you can get for them, and any added notes. It's more in depth. So if you want to learn stuff like this, like I know, like how quick I just did this, I feel like most people, they would be so confused by all this, but I kind of know like Little Pet Shop. I've sold that before. I know that. I know the Palace Pets. I know the Disney figures. And that's basically what you're getting in the guide, is my knowledge of doing this over and over and over and over and over again. And what I've learned sells best, sells for the most, and stuff like that.
Awesome. And you have 4 guides. Your latest one, his brand new one, is Toy Treasures.
Toy Treasures,
But
yeah.
they're all up to date. So, some guides that, people create can go out of date because things change. But all this stuff in the guides over the last couple of years, they're all current. They're all up to date.
Oh, yeah. You can
we've made sure that they're all relevant. Toy Treasures is the latest one. But Top Secret Toys is really good. Toy Brand Profits is phenomenal. He has a guide called Toys Exposed, which is really cool as well. So you can check them all out. I'll put some discount codes down below so you guys can get them at a special price for this video. But yeah, no pressure. This is just for the people who want to shortcut, who want to get there faster. If you want to watch our free videos and stuff, you'll definitely learn some stuff. But there's a lot more secrets and gems in his guide. So
yeah, I do give a lot of content in our videos, and maybe I give more than I should because I see a lot of people now competing with me in my own savers. But I do have a leg up on some of those people because I don't divulge everything I know. There's one toy in here that I know is worth 20 bucks that I did not say a word. But it's in that guide.
Oh, really?
Yes, there's something on this table that I know is just 20 bucks by itself.
You gonna tell me after the video? Or do I have to,
I'll tell
I have
you
to buy
after
the guide
video.
too?
Yeah. No, it's not a ploy to try to get people to buy. I'm just saying, like, I'm not divulging
Stop trying
everything.
to get me to buy your guide, man. I already have it.
But in the guides, it gets more in depth, and it really will. So you don't have to buy and fail like I did, because I did a lot of buying and failing to learn.
Yeah, he has a 30-day money back as well. So literally you can get the guide, take the information. If you really want to run with it and you want your money back, do it. But we're hoping that in the guide you'll get so much value, which I have. There's been literally hundreds of people who have sent us emails and messages. Matter of fact, there was just a guy the other day in the thrift store, Savers in Connecticut. He was shouting you out, the Toy Master, and he appreciated it. So it's up to you guys. Do what you got to do, what's best for you. If not, if you don't have the money, study the sold listings, make mistakes, buy stuff and lose money, but you'll learn, and the next time you won't make the same mistake. So go out there and make it happen regardless, you know, with or without our help. You know, we still got the utmost respect for you. And yeah, Woody the Woodpecker, man.
Time to round us up with adventure.
Time to round us up with adventure.
All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one.